Here in West Virginia say former state health officer Dr. Rahul Gupta's previous work in the Mountain State makes him the perfect person for the job.
13 News reporter Larissa Casillas is at the digital desk with reaction to his nomination. Larissa.
Well, Dr. Gupta would be the first physician to lead the Office of National Drug Control Policy if he's confirmed by the U.S. Senate. Many say his frontline experience with the opioid epidemic here in West Virginia has prepared him well for this new national role.
It wasn't long ago that Dr. Rahul Gupta, West Virginia's former health officer, took the witness stand in the first federal opioid legislation trial that's underway in Charleston. In his 10 years as health officer for the Charleston Health Department and then as a state health officer, Dr. Gupta was in what many consider ground zero for the opioid epidemic. As the news spread of President Joe Biden's nominating Dr. Gupta to the highest office in the country for addressing the drug epidemic, his West Virginia colleagues all praised him.
We are absolutely overjoyed that Dr. Gupta is being nominated for this really important position.
Gupta is well positioned. He has a lot of experience in public health, in state medical association.
In a statement, State Senator Tom Takubo wrote, Dr. Gupta is truly a bipartisan, non-political person whose interests are pure. If he's able to accomplish even a fraction of what he did for West Virginia in his new federal role, the United States will really be headed in a positive direction with handling the opioid epidemic. Still, while Dr. Marsh and others say having a friend and former West Virginian in the office could benefit the state, others also say it's time to have a full-time drug czar in West Virginia to continue his efforts.
I just hope that the governor will also take this opportunity to put someone in the official capacity, a cabinet level position as the drug czar for West Virginia. I think that would be critically important right now.
Because Senator Stallings says it doesn't matter who's at the top if there's no infrastructure downstream.
And Dr. Gupta also helped lead West Virginia through public health crises like the Elk River chemical spill of 2014 and the devastating floods of 2016. At the digital desk, Larissa Casillas, 13 News, working for you.
Senator Joe Manchin issued a statement on Dr. Gupta's nomination, saying in part, Dr. Rahul Gupta's nomination means someone with firsthand knowledge of the opioid crisis, especially in West Virginia, will be coordinating the national fight against the drug epidemic that continues to ravage our nation.